What's up, everybody? It is your girl Glenda, and you are watching another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. If you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and turn on your post notifications to be notified every time we upload a new video. Now, we have a grocery haul. This is a restock grocery haul. So this is going to kind of be in segments because there's quite a bit. We're going to start over here. I'll start behind this. I got a box of Ritz crackers. We got Wolf brand chili. There's probably like another can of this somewhere in another bag. Some Smart Balance butter. And then these are something I want to try. They're gluten-free rice thins. White cheddar flavor. 2 boxes of those. They were probably like 2 for like $2 or something. I'm gonna try these with some chicken salad. A couple of boxes of corn dogs. When the last time y'all had some corn dogs? And some O'Reilly crinkle cut french fries. We've got some chicken breast fajitas, a big one and a small bag. Then over here we got some Crystal Lights grape, tropical punch, and 2 lemonades. Back here is some vegetable oil. And then I've got 2 peanut oils right here. Let me back up some. Got 3 evaporated milks right here and some cornbread mix here. As well as some ketchup. These are 2 bottles of apple juice. Back there, husband loves apple juice. We've got some hot dog buns, a couple of packages of hot dog buns, and some Nature's Own butter buns, hamburger buns. We had these with hamburgers, and I just don't know if I'm gonna go back to the other hamburger buns because these are actually very tasty. Then we have a 5-pound bag of jasmine rice up under here. We also have 2 bags of lightly salted Lay's chips. That's those 2. Got some barbecue ones. You see some Ruffles back there, as well as these kettle cooked jalapenos. Husband likes those. Got 2 of these Quaker cornmeals. I mix up my fish fry with this, y'all. Got some cornmeal, yellow and white, thing of butter, and 3 chicken fries back there. Some chicken salad, as well as the Holy Trinity blend right here. Cause I think what we're gonna do this evening is make some, what I say, Curtis? Some dirty rice, so I'll be using that. And then I got some easy melt cheese right here, same thing as Velveeta. All right, so let us put this stuff away and I'll be right back with the next set. All right, so we are back. Let's continue this. Back here we've got some kale greens that I'm gonna mix together this evening with some cabbage for our vegetable for tonight's meal. I've got a couple of packages of chicken wings. There's the other one. Then we have some chicken breast right here. And then we also have some chicken tenders under here. Over here, we've got 2 boneless, skinless chicken thighs right there. And then up here, which is going to be for dinner, we've got a tray of catfish here, and of course some up under the bottom. So we'll figure out how many of these we gonna fry up. We've got a small package of chicken thighs with the bone in, as well as a big one. And then up under here, we've got some drumsticks. In front of me, we've got 2 ground chucks, packages of ground chucks, plus this 1 pound of ground chuck, which is gonna go on my dirty rice this evening. We've got 3 ground turkeys here, a little package of broccoli florets, fresh broccoli. And we've got some carrots, baby carrots. Back here is some stew meat, or as my husband call it, carne asada meat. All right, we've got some lunch meat here. Let me pull that out. Boar's head, some boar's head lunch meat. This is the mesquite wood smoked turkey, and then this one is the boar's head maple glazed turkey. A cabbage, a head of cabbage. We've got some green leaf lettuce right here. Let me zoom out a little bit. Then we've got 2 of the Louisiana hot sauce, and back here I have 2 of the Louisiana tartar sauce. If you know, you know. And then we've got 2 fish fries, 3, and actually there's 4 of these loaves of bread. Back there is some almond milk right there. I've got some gold potatoes here and a stalk of celery right there. All right, we'll be back with the next load. Hang in there with us, y'all. Hang in there with us. All right, y'all, we are back. This is our 3rd little segment of the grocery haul. I told y'all this was a restock, okay? I got some Adams Reserved kicked up chicken. I guess this is Adams Reserve's version of kicking chicken. So this was free with the purchase of something. Don't ask me what, because I don't remember. We got some Bertolli 5 cheese spaghetti sauce. That's 2 back there. And then I also got some tomato basil, some grenadine syrup to go inside like my juices, just to infuse them, make them taste good. Some sharp cheddar and some Colby Jack slices for some sandwiches. Some sharp cheddar shredded, aged Italian blend shredded, 4 state cheddar shredded, and Mexican cheese shredded, as well as some tortillas back there. Our white wings, of course. This is that other loaf of bread I was telling y'all about. Now, these right here, y'all. If you know, you know. If you don't know, run, don't walk. For these Dots Homestyle pretzels, these are the original seasoned ones. I've tasted these, they're very good. And then I hear that the Southwest season one is good with like guacamole, you know, just to like dip it. So I'll be using these. These are mine, and they'll be some snacks for me. Got some andouille sausage, a couple of them, because I plan on making some red beans and rice. I already have a video on that, so make sure you click the iCard in the top corner to check out that video. Some beef fajitas, fully cooked beef fajitas. Good for some quick tacos or, you know, whatever. As well as some jumbo beef hot dogs. These are the 1/4 pound. They are very good. They're beef and they're delicious. Y'all know I had to get that Slovacek summer sausage. Got 2 of those. This was also, I think, free or discounted or something of the sort. These burger leaf lettuce, which ain't nothing but some green leaf lettuce. And we got some extra virgin olive oil. We ran out of that. Up here, I've got a little thing of heavy cream. We got 2 boxes of spaghetti. We've got 2 boxes of penne pasta, some macaroni noodles, and then macaroni and cheese deluxe with the little melted cheese on the inside. They taste pretty good. For like a little quick meal when you don't feel like doing the whole from scratch. Some grape juice. We've got some 2% milk, which there's 2 of those. The other one's in the refrigerator. And then back here, we've got some hamburger patties. And then Curtis just brought over the 36 count of eggs. And is that everything? I got some Cheeto puffs down here that belong to me for my snack. And I think that's it. Is that everything, Curtis? Huh? Yeah. You sure? Y'all, we are done. Wait, what's in those? Oh no. Anything in these bags back here? No. Y'all, listen. If you want to see more videos like this, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you're updated every time we upload a video. And we will see y'all on the next episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Stay tuned.